What is comparative reading? Have you ever wondered how law students tackle complex texts? One key skill they develop is comparative reading. This is a specific type of reading comprehension task found on the law school admission test. It is designed to assess skills that are essential for success in law school. Unlike other reading sections that feature single passages, comparative reading involves a pair of shorter, related passages that must be read and analyzed together. The heart of comparative reading is to compare and contrast the two passages in terms of their tone, purpose, and the author's viewpoints. The relationships between the passages typically fall into three categories. The first is generalization and instance. Here, one passage presents a broad idea or principle, while the other provides a specific example or case. Next, we have principle and application. In this scenario, one passage states a rule or theory, and the other applies it in a particular context. Finally, there is point and counterpoint. This format presents opposing or differing perspectives on the same topic. This method mirrors the kind of reading law students frequently encounter. They often analyze multiple texts, such as court decisions, legal opinions, or statutes, and must understand how they relate to one another. For example, a law student might compare a trial court ruling with an appellate court decision that modifies or overturns it. The purpose of comparative reading on the law school admission test is to measure the ability to read complex, dense, and argumentative texts carefully. It tests skills such as distinguishing what is explicitly stated from what is implied, drawing inferences, and synthesizing information from multiple sources. These skills are fundamental for success in law school, where extensive reading of varied legal materials is required. Mastering comparative reading helps future lawyers develop the capacity to analyze multiple viewpoints and identify subtle differences in legal reasoning. It also aids in integrating diverse sources of information. These abilities are critical for legal research, writing, and argumentation. In essence, comparative reading on the law school admission test is a reading comprehension section featuring two related passages. It requires comparison and analysis of their relationship, reflecting the reading and analytical demands of law school. By honing this skill, students prepare themselves for the rigorous reading and analysis they will face in their legal education.